This quote really grabbed me, and it's how I like to live my life and definitely my business. I want to see things that happen to me, or I don't get what I want, or I want more of something. Why? Why is it not happening? I need to see it as an opportunity. I want that for my photographers. When we don't get a job, it's a way to motivate them. It's like, okay, light the fire up. Like, why didn't you get the job? Who did get the job? Check them out. If we can't get showings at some agency, if they won't respond to me, why won't they? What do I not have? What do I have to look at? I can educate myself. I can figure new systems out, get new ideas. I have to use business failures as a way to progress myself. And that is how we do better. As photographers, you're not going to bat 1,000. Let's bring baseball into this. You're going to bat 200, 300, maybe 400, 500. It's still half the time of not getting exactly what you want. If you find yourself taking things personally, this is a great book, The 4 Agreements. But otherwise, take this as an opportunity, make a success out of anything that we might call a failure.